You know what that means?
No, I don't. Yes, I do. Randomness 23. To be exact. Well, we turned red there for a second. Wow.
Yeah, but all the pictures me holding hands down.
We turned red again. Cool.
It's because the camera's getting used to the light. So, yeah, we're bored. Dustin got attacked by dogs. What are you doing? Make a funny face. Can I see a picture of Brittany?
Mm-hmm.
Not you. No one likes you. I'm sorry to tell you the truth now. First, here's a picture of Dustin and Sierra. They told me this is not a total redneck picture. Look at Dustin in the background. You gotta let it fade out or it's not gonna work.
I can't see me. Oh, there I am.
I'm gonna look at pictures.
Oh, another slideshow episode. Another picture episode. Yay.
Never mind, I don't want it.
What? No!
Yeah.
Well, fine. No, wait. Can't show him that yet. Remember? Can't show him that yet.
Well, you're over from me anyway. You have better pictures. Mine are all old.
That's my new friend. She likes using it because it has unlimited text. And she can text my friend, or our friend Brittany.
She's my friend. That's Scooby.
Scooby! We're red. We're red! And we're fading.
What are you doing? Ha, Josh. I can't really tell because we took it
What, Mom? Yeah.
Aw, here's Daphne.
The dog that raped me.
Yeah, this stuff has been found and the kids are home.
I mean, yay!
Scooby! No!
Scooby!
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 Scooby! The iCarly 50th show spectacular.
It's
Hey guys,
iCarly 50th
we're making a
show
randomness.
spectacular.
This is like the fourth one we made today.
Third.
Fourth. Ninth. Tomorrow's pajama day apparently.
For her.
Pajama day. Well, we don't have to. We can if we want to. It's to celebrate
Yeah.
Christmas' birthday.
Get off me. 5. 4.
I have completely learned.
Oh no. Had a bad experience with Daffy and Trevor, and I don't want to go through that again.
Sierra has
No.
homework.
And so it's Tristan.
hear you. Come back out here.
She has like 2 questions left.
Sierra.
She has like 2 questions left.
Okay.
You just said that.
Well, she said it again.
Give me my phone.
No.
Give me my phone.
No.
Give it.
Okay. Oh, looky there.
Was when I just
I
said
just said it. No, don't touch it. This has a mirror. You break it.
Ow! I feel so violated. Well, I guess we better go.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Hey, public service announcement, never get attacked by dogs.